Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will say a few words about the premium version of Rocket Django, which is our latest product built on top of Django, Tailwind and Flowbyte. The free version was already presented in other videos, but I will highlight some again the features provided in the free version. Of course there's a Django latest version, best practices. The UI is styled with Tailwind and Flowbyte. The product also provides an extended user model, so you can associate with the authenticated users some basic information like address, company, and other things. The free version provides charts, data tables, some simple versions, API through DRF, and Celery support for the asynchronous task processing. Now, the Pro version, which also has a live demo, comes with some extra things like social authentication for Google and GitHub, but other providers can be added as well, like I don't know, Facebook, Azure, and other Discord and other providers that might empower your final product. Stripe payments in this version we are providing only the dynamic pricing, one-time payments with dynamic pricing. The subscriptions are scheduled to be added in the next few weeks. Wagtail CMS in case you want to manage the content for the blog. Enhanced charts and enhanced data tables, and during this video I will focus on the data tables feature, which provides some cool features, we think. Multi-language support, Sentry for error reporting, and the rest of the items are related to the way that you can use the product. So the product one-time purchase unlocks the unlimited projects, so you can always build another SaaS or another hobby project without paying second time. So this is quite nice. We think usually the SaaS licenses are quite pricey. It can be around $1,000 per each instance, but in this case you pay only once and you can use lifetime the product in unlimited projects. You also get some private repository access to get instant to get an instant view regarding the new features, and also you can debate with the team that developed the product what features should be added to this code base, or vote and discuss with the community regarding the new features. Also, the lifetime updates are unlocked by this purchase, so we think it's a super deal. Let's take a look at the data table module. We need to go here. Data table. All the application provided by the starter are listed under the apps submenu. We have here the data tables. We have here the charts, API via DRF, and let me go back. We have here the Celery interface where you can build some tasks and execute, and this is the default page for the Wagtail CMS. The internationalization support is here. You can translate the content, and here is a sample. Also, there is a super simple starter page which will be updated with more features and components. Let's go back to the application and take a look at the Pro Premium data table view, which provides a simple way to manage your information. You can the core features are the server side processing, which helps you in case you have a large data set like 100,000 rows or 1 million. There's the product should behave the same in both cases, because the information is being processed on the server side, the response time for the user should be super fast. Other things are this hide and show column, so you can filter the output, so it's automatically updated. We can see here. Okay, once you, let's say you want to hide some this field, which is an UID. In my opinion, it's is not so important. You can filter. And on top of this, you have a granular search where you can combine filters, and I will demonstrate this right away. So basically, you have this dynamic filter where you can select a column and associate a value. Let's filter this my call video. I will filter this by using this column as input item name. I put here my call video. Okay, so now the all the rows are filtered. Let's combine another filter. Let's say I want to filter all buyers with this Nina name. I will just click on this button and put on buyer name. I will add the new filter, and once we submit the search, we will have this narrowed extracted information. Other feature is to export all the information in CSV format, and you can download right away the extracted information. Okay, so this is the data table module. Will be updated with other features based on the community suggestions. And right now I will switch to the local version of the project, just to highlight some other things that are reserved for the enterprise license. This we decided to separate the layers because we had some new contracts lately related to the data computation and how to translate a CSV or multiple CSV into Django models, and also load the information. So this was a constant request from the companies that we work with, and we decided to offer as the enterprise layer for the Rocket Django starter. Let me show you how it works. So once you have the enterprise license, you need to save here the CSV in the media folder. So basically, this model that handles the information was generated through this using this tool, and also the tool is able to load the information, and like this you are able to manage the information in despite the size of the input of the number of the CSV rows. You can manage the information using data tables, and also you can manage the information using the API. Let's go back here and let me generate the model. So the command is you need to install all the dependencies, of course, and the command is csv2 model, which will scan the media directory and just generate a model for each CSV found in this location. Once the model is generated, you can see right away how it works. Okay, we can see here that all the fields are extracted from the CSV. We have here the header, purchase ID, i18n, buyer, etc. And we can see here that the tool knows how to map the columns to the model definition, and also the string are pre-processed, and the type of the field is also detected. So for this, do not contact, the tool detects that it's in integer field, and here we have a float field for variance and other things. And like this, we we can translate any CSV into a Django model and later upload the information. Now, once we have the model, we need to migrate the database, because the definition might change. Let me execute the migration. In this case, I expect to have no change, because the model was previously generated, and of course you need to migrate. The migration, it's already there. Okay, so no migration to apply. Once we have the definition of the model, we can load the information using the same tool. So the syntax is -ld, which means -l from load, and d means delete the previous information in the model. If we go here and if we go to the data tables and refresh the view, we can see that the ID starts from 71 and we have only 7 rows. Let me go back to the input file. Okay, I will reload the information, and the tool, no, it's not this, -ld. So it's each row is parsed and processed in order to be loaded to the database, and we can see at the end the stats of the current process, which inform us that we have loaded seven lines, and all are successfully imported without errors, without warnings. If we refresh here the page, we can see that the ID it's incremented. Another option is to append the data set to the existing content, and for this we need to run the CSV to model handler with only with -l argument. In this case, those several rows will be appended to the current data set, and like this we should have more rows in the data table. Which is really powerful to this tool is that he knows how to pre-process the information before inserting into the database, and also the definition of the model that is translated from the CSV can be also controlled. Like you can rename the columns. Let's say we have here the purchase ID. In this case, the purchase ID can be translated and saved into the database, like I don't know, my purchases. The column can be renamed during the model generation, and later when we load the information, the tool knows how to apply the same rule, and will insert the correspondent column from the CSV into the database. But these features are, as I mentioned before, targets the enterprise level, and from our experience, we've used this tool to consolidate information from some large companies that needs to move away from the Excel, because they need a smart business intelligence on top of those Excels. You can't you are quite limited in terms of controlling who's accessing the information in the Excel. You don't have all the computing power to process the information. Of course, Excel it's a super tool, but does not cover all cases all the time. So sometimes we need to pull the information from Excel, load it into a real application, and build something really cool on top. Imagine that you have 2 million rows on Excel. Like this, you can use this tool to import information, to expose it through an API, to build a super nice UI using React, Vue, or whatever UI library you are using. And like this, you present the information to the users in a different and more appealing way. With permissions, you can control who's what columns can be viewed by an entity, what reports you can extract from the Excel. Maybe you want to extract just some parts of the data set, and like this you have total freedom. Another thing that happens in this promotion is that the charts are automatically updated. We can see here that we have here 2 sales, 6 sales, 2. If I rerun the loader like this, just to append the information, the charts should be automatically updated. Here we can see here that we have 33933, so the information was correctly appended, and the data tables are contain all the information. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the tool. This is the pro version. I was trying to highlight all the features, all the things that might help you in your project. Just to summarize it, the pro version comes with improved authentication, payments, CMS supports, enhanced charts, enhanced data tables, multi-language support, error reporting, and basically no limits regarding the usage and support. You have priority on support also. You can build unlimited projects, and you get lifetime updates. Let us know what you think about the project. For those that are not familiar with what we offer, we are AppSeed. You get 24/7 support by clicking on this link, which is listed on the homepage, on top of the homepage, and you simply can contact us through this email address, or join the Discord, where we are helping the community, and we have there, besides our help, the community with more than 2,000 members. It's super supportive. So guys, thanks again for watching. Let us know what you think about the project, and as usual, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.